Hello my dear students, welcome you all to Mahi tutorials. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the vascular system of frogs. So let us quickly begin. Frogs have well developed vascular system and it is closed type. The vascular system of frog consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. जो हार्ट होता है 3 चैम्बर्ड होता है कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Heart is covered by a membrane called as pericardium. 2 additional chambers sinus venosus and conus arteriosus मौजूद होती हैं. This sinus venosus is a triangular structure which opens into the right atrium, or conus arteriosus arises anteriorly from the ventral side of ventricle. Blood consists of plasma and blood cells. Blood cells में RBCs, WBCs and platelets होते हैं. जो RBCs होती हैं फ्रॉग की, दिस आर न्यूक्लिएटेड, न्यूक्लियस मौजूद होती हैं फ्रॉग की RBCs में and contain hemoglobin. The process of circulation will be explained to you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned with Mahi tutorials. इसी तरह के short concepts और short revision series के लिए subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. If you have understood the vascular system of frogs, so make sure you hit that like button. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for giving your time.